welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified for all my future videos. Vamos a empezar. Hola mi gente, I hope you're doing amazing today. Welcome back to my channel, DIY with Anais. I'm so glad that you are able to join. Today we're going to be doing another polygel look with some Saviland Icy Blue, some Burano glitter kit, and a really pretty temperature changing color number 6 from the temperature changing kit. We're going to start off with prepping the fake hand, and I don't know what's up with this girl's finger, but it's crooked today, so help me out. How do I unmake this crooked finger, because it's just annoying. So we are using some Hello Kitty Pearl Glitter Shop stickers, and they're so cute. You can find them on her shop. I'll link everything down below. But I thought it would be so cute to do like some cute Hello Kitty nails, and I have some princess nails coming up as well, and I'm just so excited to use those. Let me know in the comments down below what nails you want to see, what type of inspo you want me to follow, because I really love like getting ideas from y'all, because I feel more inspired. So comment down below what you think. But like I said, I am just prepping my nails, and that just includes putting a base coat, and I actually did put a base coat for my tips to stick, and that's the 3-in-1 Burano, which everyone should know by now is the best stuff ever, because you can use as nail glue, as a slip solution, or as a base coat. So it's really the best stuff ever. Alright, so using Saviland Icy Blue, I've used this color before in another video. I am doing a V-shape French, and the way that I'm doing that is basically making sure that my polygel is as close as possible to the cuticle, and then I am dragging down to get that V shape. Now I want a pretty deep V, so I am just making sure that everything is perfect. You see how I'm pushing up the product and make sure it's as a deep V, the best deep V as possible. When you cure it, you can go ahead and like get the 100 grit file and just fix that all up, but honestly I didn't think I needed it because it came out really, really well. I am going ahead and doing that on all of the rest of my nails, just making sure that I have a really good deep V. And like I said, I'm starting at the cuticle, dragging the product down into each other. That way I can get a really sophisticated V. And I made sure as well that the V was in the middle, more towards the middle, because you don't want a V to be on the side. I mean, you can if you want, but I'm going for a V instead of that perfect smile line to be like a French. But a V-shaped French is what I aimed for, so I went ahead and did that for the rest of my fingers. Starting off with number 6 from Burano. This is from the glitter kit. I have reviewed this kit before. I can go ahead and use some of those products again in another video. Let me know what you think. But I'm using number 6, and this one is a really, really pretty holographic silver. This holographic silver is very pigmented. It's very beautiful. It's not like those like glittery polygels that has just like chipa de glitter, like a little bit of glitter. It's really not like that. It's very pigmented, it's not opaque, it's just very pretty. And I love the consistency of Burano because Burano is not sticky and not too stiff. Like, it really is the perfect consistency. So I'm going ahead and putting that product around the V, and I'm cleaning up that V line because I want that V line to be as perfect as possible. So that means not making sure that there's no glitter around that V. That V is very consistent and you can see it around. Then with the number 6, it's really funny that I use both 6, but with number 6 from the temperature changing polygel kit from Burano, I am using that around my V-line as well and dragging that up. So this is the reason why I wanted a really deep V-line, because I want it to be, have you seen those beautiful French tips that the smile line is just so deep inside? Like, I just love that. So I wanted to make sure I kind of copied that for the V line. And I'm just dragging up, making sure that's as deep as possible and as even as possible. And as always, cleaning that V line, making sure that it's as perfect as possible. I'm going ahead and using number 7 from Savvyland. This one is like an acrygel and it's a lot thinner than clear polygel, and I figured I would just use it to kind of encapsulate everything. I don't want my nails to get ruined when I go ahead and file, so I am just making sure that looks perfect before I file anything. And I want there to be a nice buildup, and I'm not filing away any, perfection that I have accomplished. So like I said, I'm just encapsulating all of the V-line and mostly just where the light blue and the dark blue meet. I'm not encapsulating the whole thing because everything is pretty much really solid. It's just where those two colors meet. I'm just making sure that looks really good and very clean. Once I cured that for 60 seconds, as you can see, it turns a really pretty light blue. But I am going ahead and just cleaning everything off, and then I'm going to buff, shape, and file my nails. And usually with the Ready Gone hand, I don't like to buff, shape, and file with the nails in the actual socket. I don't know, I guess I'm just I don't like it to bend around and move around, and I always fear that the silicone might tear if I do it too rough. So my preference is to take the nails out of the socket of the silicone hand and buff shape it and file that way, because I can just have as much pressure as I want with the nails out of the socket, and I just prefer to do it like that better. So after I buff shaped and filed, this is how they look. I am cleaning them off with some alcohol, some rubbing alcohol, and then I'm going ahead with some beautiful pearl glitter stickers like I stated before. These are Hello Kitty, and I love how Hello Kitty has a whole hella moods, like a bunch of different moods in one packet, so you can really use this for like anything you want. You can use this for the spring theme, summer theme, fall theme, if she's kind of down theme, whatever you want. I just stuck with like blues because this is more of like a blue look, and then I just stuck with like cute little accessories that would match the theme, but it's pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. I did use a silicone tool to kind of just like press the nails down at some point, but I ended up just using my finger afterwards. Now with stickers, you don't need like some special glue, you don't need like an adhesive, you just stick them on, and then you want to really rub them into the nail, and then you put a top coat and cure that for 60 seconds. After I cured that for 60 seconds, I'm going ahead with the Pearl Glitter Shop blue gems that I've been dying to use, and they come in like 5 different sizes. So I'm just going ahead and doing some gem placement. I don't use any adhesive, even though I recently did just get some that I will be putting on my channel soon. Keep an eye out on that, and make sure you hit that notification bell to be notified for when that video comes out, because you're not going to want to miss that. Y'all, but this is the end of the look. Look how beautiful they came out. Now, like I said, it is a color changing polygel, so those tips with cold water, or if they're cold, they turn dark blue, which I love because it really stands out. But when they're warm, they turn a really light blue, and either way, they look so beautiful. I would honestly wear this if it were on my actual nails. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you're not a part of that DIY Familia, make sure you hit the subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified for all my future videos. I'll make sure to link everything down below. Thank y'all so much for watching. Hit that thumbs up button, because y'all know YouTube loves to put those videos that are more famous than others, so that'll really help out. But again, thank you so much for watching, and nos vemos en la próxima.